Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pry bar set for demolition in heavy-duty use. The KJE 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set. Whether you're a mechanic, a demolition expert, or someone tackling heavy construction work, this set is designed to become your go-to tool for leverage, force, and durability. First, let's take a closer look at what you get in the box. This set includes 4 pry bars in varying sizes: 8 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches with an angled tip, and a 24-inch straight pry bar. These sizes give you the right tool for just about any situation: tight spots under a car, or larger demolition tasks that need maximum leverage. The bars are constructed from thickened 45H steel, and they've been heat-treated for extra durability. That means they're not just tough, they're engineered to resist bending or warping even under extreme pressure. Whether you're prying apart rusted suspension parts or yanking nails from a stubborn beam, these bars hold their ground without compromise. Let's talk design. Each bar features a robust, strike-ready cap at the end. This is ideal when you need to give the bar a few hammer hits to wedge it deeper into position. The strike cap protects the bar and ensures you don't lose efficiency or damage the tool in the process. That's a professional-grade feature you don't usually find at this price point. The grip is another standout. These pry bars are fitted with ergonomic, non-slip handles that feel secure in your hands, even when you're working in oily or wet conditions. That kind of control makes a huge difference when you're applying serious force. Now, what really sets this set apart is the angled tip design on the smaller bars. That angled approach gives you mechanical advantage, perfect for popping off brake rotors, separating panels, or gently nudging components apart without wrecking surrounding materials. If you've ever worked in cramped automotive spaces, you know how crucial this kind of control and leverage can be. Reinforced strike caps round out the build, absorbing repeated hammer blows without cracking or deforming. Whether you're prying, striking, lifting, or separating, these tools are built to take abuse and keep going. It's the kind of resilience that professionals count on daily. To sum it up, the KJE 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set delivers on every front: strength, precision, versatility, and comfort. It's built for real-world tasks, everything from auto repair and construction to demolition. For those who demand professional performance from their tools, this set checks all the boxes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and recommendations that help you get the job done right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.